Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're on another ride along video. This time we have a Apilia Pegaso 650. So this is pretty much Aprilia's take on Yamaha's XTZ Tenere, not the latest model, the previous model. So this is a 2008 bike. Really well kept bike in fairness to it. So it's a 4-stroke single cylinder with a Yamaha 660cc engine in it. It is A2 license applicable because it has about 44 horsepower I think in around there. Very nice looking bike. I think it's a better looking bike than the Tenere from Yamaha. Just personally, the Italians added a bit more flair to her. She also is a lower bike as well compared to the Yamaha. Yamaha was quite a tall bike. I think this bike does around 70 to 80 miles per gallon, in something around there. I can't tell you the exact seat height. Brake horsepower around 43, like I said. So we may as well just get on her and go for a spin. So like usual, we go for around an 8-minute ride, something in around that, or 8-minute video. Anyway, usually it's longer with the traffic lights and all that I cut out for you guys. So she's in neutral. She does have a nice digital dash as well. She has lap timers and all that sort of stuff, and tracking other things. There is this thing, electric cubby hole thing under here. If I can get her open. Here we are. It has a tax sticks on it, so it's taxed till the 5th 20. Apart from that, everything's very nice on her. Starts up straight away. I'll just adjust my mirrors for this little trip. Very comfortable sitting position. As you can see, my foot hits the ground. I'm 187 centimeters or 6'2". Very easy to hit the floor. I mean, if you're probably stay away if you're 5'7" or lower. But other than that, very comfortable, very easy to drive. She has nice bar ends on her as well, which is aftermarket, but they are from Aprilia. Really nice drive off her. Nice bit of poke in her too. These are, I believe these are non-original mirrors. They are a bit shaky in fairness to them, but better than a lot of bikes that I've come across. Nice LED front headlamp as well. Condition of the bike is perfect for about 26,000 kilometers on her. She pulls like a train with that big single. I've just come off the Lex Moto with about 9 brake horsepower on it. It feels like a bit of an animal, even though she's not. I mean, where I would place this in drivability terms, I would place this kind of beginner to medium level. Probably more so to beginners. Very simple to ride. She's not particularly heavy as well. Oh, we're gonna get these lights. This is a be unheard of now. It might be a shorter video because of this. Please let us through. No, I'm going. No one saw that. But yeah, she's very easy to drive. I wouldn't put her anywhere in the hard scale to ride. She has these different modes for controlling the digital dash here on the left hand side. The bike was owned by a guy who was going to do a trip through Morocco, so he had the bike completely kind of stripped down and put back to the way he wanted it. So everything is absolutely mint on her. He actually traded it in against the XTZ 660 Tenere that we had in. But she toddles along very nicely. I'm a big fan of these types of bikes. They make a lot of sense. They're kind of medium-sized adventure bikes. And again, she's just the way these things make sense is that they're not too big. They're not too big. Like you get on those big BM 1200s. What a fantastic bike they are! But just the size of them for city driving is it's just not ideal. These are just a that bit smaller, so you can filter in or out a bit easier. And we'll do a brake test up here. Nice brakes on her. I think she has dual disc on the front, so I don't understand why. Look, but she's very easy to control at slow speeds here. I'm doing 2 or 3 kilometers an hour here. Very easy. So if you're coming coming in and you're doing your A2 license, you're kind of between the ages of 18 and 24. That's kind of where you're going to be doing it. Okay, we're going to have to see. No, not free. Come on, BM. Okay, the bus is coming out. But yeah, if your ages of 18 to 24, then this is kind of something you're looking at, because you want to be doing your test on her at the A2 license level. Okay. Well, we got the other lights, we're not going to get these ones. I'll cut her out for you so you don't have to sit through the torture of the lights. Okay, we're moving again. I'll pull into the left here like usual and do a bit of a brake test. Front brake, yeah, very nice indeed. And then the rear brake here, rear brake only now. Not too bad, not too bad. But as I said, you get nice wide handlebars as well, so you can filter in and out. It makes that's what makes the slow speed so kind of easy to control on a bigger bike like yourself. She's not too loud. She's even though she's a single, she's hardly any vibrations through the handlebars there. Very stable bike. Oh Jesus! Taxi man's lost his turbo. Just CBC Monkstown here on the left. I always pointed out in these few videos, but I do like to give the kind of sense of where we are, because people have found it hard to find us. We don't have a big glass showroom, you know, out the front with a seaside view and all. But it's a nice ideal area. We're south side stuff. There's not many south side dealerships, so we're in kind of a niche market here. Most America north. Makes sense though, it's all the service centres and stuff and parts centres are, so makes it easier. And even through the feet, there's no vibrations through the feet or anything, which is also nice. Coming up on our road place here on the right hand side after the cartridge stop here. We're just about wrapping her up though. No, she's a nice little driver. Bit of power in her. She's not gutless. So we are starting out on this kind of A2, and we get a chance to filter here. We can indeed. Bit of filtering going here, like that. That's what you get with the smaller size bikes. It's easier to cut in and out of the traffic, which I will do again here. Just much easier to filter in and out. But yeah, that's been the Aprilia 650. I don't know why they call it a 650. It's a 660cc 650 Pegaso, medium-sized adventure bike, applicable for A2 license, around 80 miles per gallon. No gear indicator or anything, but it has track times and all that, and distance covered through on the dash. You can control it here. It's a few little gizmos, little pocket size cubby hole above the tank. And you can get the lights to go, that'd be nice. No. Oh, and what timing is that? The fuel light has just come on as we turn into our dealership here, into Retro Bikes Dublin. Again, as usual, when I come back to the end of these, if there's anything else you want to know about the bike that I've missed out on, please leave a comment down below and I'll answer it as fast as I can. She is up for sale on our done deal page and up on Facebook, so if you want to get in touch with us for that as well, I'll leave our Facebook links down there. And if you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe. It's much greatly appreciated. I do spend a lot of time on these videos, editing them and getting them out and doing them. Subscribe, like as well if you thought the video was helpful in any way, and also comment as well.